Hello friends, today I am making tilapia fish curry, for which I am using 3 fillets of tilapia washed and pat dry. The ingredients are turmeric powder, red chili powder, Kashmiri Red Chili Powder, coriander powder, black pepper powder, fenugreek leaf dried, garlic ginger paste, salt to taste, and cooking oil. In addition to it, we'll also be needing mustard seeds, cumin seeds, black peppercorns, and fenugreek seeds. We'll also use 2 dried red chilies. And finally, we'll also be using 2 tomatoes, 1 fresh lime, few parts of garlic, and a bunch of coriander or cilantro leaves. So let's get started. Let's start marinating. We'll start using the turmeric powder first. You can flip aside. Next, let's sprinkle some salt and then some pepper. Pat it nicely, put aside gently. And some more pepper. We're going to put some garlic ginger paste as well. And do the same here. Do the marination, set it aside for about half an hour, and then we'll start cooking. In the meanwhile, we can prep the rest of the ingredients. So next we are going to dice some tomatoes. We have 2 fresh tomatoes here. We'll dice it finely. We have all the tomatoes. Next, let's chop the cilantro. We can trim the stems and then finally chop the rest. So here we are. Now our fish has been marinating for over 30 minutes. We'll take a pan, put on the flame on high. It's about 3 to 4 tablespoons. Let's add some garlic pods. As the garlic is getting a little brown, you can lower the temperature a little bit to medium low. But gently place the fish. So that'll be on medium flame and just let the fish cook for a couple of minutes on each side. We can now gently try to flip the fish on the other side. Now the fish has been cooking on each side for about 2 minutes each. So now let's take it out and set it aside. Take a plate and we'll set this aside. And we'll also fish the garlic pods. Turn the heat back to high. Now we are going to be adding these ingredients. The red chili will break it up and put it in. So here we go. When they start crackling, we're going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of garlic ginger paste. Lower the flame to medium low. Let it cook for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. If you want, you can put the lid on. just so it doesn't splutter on you. So give it about a minute. So you have the garlic ginger paste that is cooked well into it. So this time we'll add the diced tomatoes. And you can sprinkle a little bit of salt to taste, just a bit. And mix it up. And let the tomato cook nice and soft. You can put the lid back on medium-high, let it cook for a couple of minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. So while the tomato is cooking, we'll take a cup of water. I'm going to microwave this for about a minute and a half. Okay, good. So reduce the flame to medium, and what we'll do at this time is the powdered spices that we have, we'll make a paste of them. Take a bowl, into which we'll add all the powdered spices. We'll start with the turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, to which we'll add 1 teaspoon of hot red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 3 teaspoons of coriander powder, which we'll add the hot water that we made, about half a cup. We'll give it a gentle stir. There we go. Add this to the pan. Add just the water to it, and you can clean a bowl so you don't waste your spices that you have. Okay. Give it a good mix. Put the lid back on and let it cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. So it's been about 5 to 6 minutes. The oil is beginning to separate. Okay, or it's surfacing at this time. As you can see, the oil is separating out. At this time, we'll add the fish back into the pan. So gently, you can drop the fish pieces one at a time. Here you go, one. Second piece, and the third. What we could do is take the sauce and just put it over the fish, so it's nice and evenly coated as well. Okay, lower the temperature to medium. Add the rest of the marinade that we had. You can spread this mixture around very gently because you don't want to coat the fish. And on medium flame, let it cook for a couple of minutes. And the fish has been cooking for about 2 minutes or so. It looks pretty good. I need more gravy, so I'll add some water to it. Like the previous time, we'll add 3/4 cups of water. So I'm adding the hot water or the warm water so that it does not slow the cooking process. Put the lid back on, let it cook for 2 minutes, and then we'll wrap it up. It's looking really good. You see the oil is coming up, it's surfacing. Okay. And what we'll do is give it finishing touches. So this time we'll add fenugreek leaf, dried. Give it a gentle mix. Finally, we'll add the coriander leaves that we have. Put the entire helping there. We'll give it a good stir. The sauce has come out pretty good actually. It's dense, it's flavorful. What I like to do is taste it a little bit just to make sure salt and pepper, everything is fine. Okay. This will add lemon juice and then we'll be ready to serve. So it's looking pretty good. We'll lower the flame to low. I'll put half a lemon or lime and we'll just sprinkle this around to give a little bit of tang to the fish curry, and that should be good. And our tilapia fish curry is ready to be served. So I'll plate it and then let's take a look. So here is our tilapia fish curry. Okay. Well, here is the last piece on the top. And we'll garnish this with a little bit of cilantro. And it is ready to
So